WFMY News 2's Grace Holland found out where our state stands now and what could happen in the years ahead.
Triad political experts we talked to agree a change in our state, if any, would take time. Winston-Salem State University professor Denise Nation says North Carolina doesn't have any of those trigger bans, but there have been attempts to restrict abortions in the past.
Over the last decade, we have seen where groups have gone to the courts to try to get abortion rights here in North Carolina further restricted.
Those attempts largely failed, sometimes by court decision or a veto from Governor Roy Cooper. Republicans need a supermajority in both chambers to override a veto. Lots of state seats are up for grabs this November. Elon University professor Jason Husser says these races likely won't end with a Republican supermajority, but it does make those General Assembly seats more important.
It will increase the stakes for state legislative races and governor's races across the country. More and more political campaigns at the state level that focus on abortion as the primary issue or one of the primary issues.
It's not clear if the court's future decision would impact voter turnout for either party. Dr. Tom Little says the Democrats have the most to lose.
Because even if Democrats make gains, given the districts, I don't believe they can take the majority of both the House and Senate in North Carolina. So the governor will have to be that backstop for Democrats.
So if the court does overturn Roe v. Wade, a change in our state isn't likely within the next couple of years. But after that,
I'm not sure where our state will end up on this continuum, but I'm not confident that we would just stick with what we have on the books right now.
Much of the outcomes of what abortion law will look like in North Carolina will depend on day-to-day politics and every 4 to 2 year cycles of who's in power.
Husser says this issue proves every race matters. Our state's primary election is in 2 weeks.